Today we are going to see about clock drawing test. It is also known as CDT. What is the purpose of this test? It is a test used for assessment of cognitive impairment based on the sketches of a clock completed by a subject. Here in this experiment, the experimenter asked the subject to draw a clock in the paper. What is the objective of this test? In this test, to find any cognitive impairments in the subject and to measure the level of neuropsychological state. What are the materials required for this test? Only paper and pencil or pen. Here we see what is clock drawing test. Clock drawing test is a non-verbal neuropsychological screening tool. It measures the level of cognitive skills. The clock drawing test is a simple tool that is used to screen people for sign of neurological problems such as Alzheimer's and other dementias. It lies the number of cognitive, motor, and perceptual functions required simultaneously for successful completion of this task. What is the procedure of this test? First, the experimenter provides the subject with a piece of paper with a pre-drawn circle of approximately whose diameter is 10 centimeters. That indicate that the circle represents the phase of a clock and asks the subject to put in the numbers so that it looks like a clock. Ask the subject to add arms so that the clock indicates the time 10 minutes after 11. How to scoring the method? The clock is divided into 8 beginnings with the line through the number 12 and center of the circle. If it is 12 missing, its position assumed to be counterclockwise from the first at distance equal to that between 1 and 2. Any straight edge may be used to divide the clock into 8. The scoring template shows the clock circle already divided into 8. Alternatively, a scoring template drawn on the paper is placed under the subject's drawing so that the scoring template clock shows through the patient's drawing paper above it. 1 point each is given for numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 11. If at least half the area of the number is in the proper octant of the circle related to the number 12. 1 point each given for an obvious shorthand pointing at 11 and an obvious longhand pointing to the 2. Here I gave a picture how to scoring for this test. How to score for if the subject drawing like this means we have to scoring like this. Based on the scores, we can classify it into 4 types. If the subject scored 10 marks, means it suggests that cognitive impairment is unlikely. It means he or he cannot any cognitive impairments. If they got 8 or 9.9 score means it is interrupted clinically. If the subject scored less than 8 means it indicates cognitive impairments. If the subject scored less than 5, it indicates prominent cognitive impairment. Here I had shown how to test the subject from the clock drawing test, CDT. Here we can divide into 8 parts. What are the benefits of this CDT? CDT means stands for clock drawing test. Fast screening tool. We only need for paper and pencil only. It is a very quick way to screen a subject for possible dementia. It often requires only 1 or 2 minutes is enough to complete this task. And easy to administer. It does not require much training to administer. Just the subject draw only the clock. Based on the sketches, we can classify the subject in 4 types. Well tolerated. This is easier to complete than other tasks. Some of the test is slightly tough or something like that, but it is very easy. And free, unlike some cognitive tests that require you to purchase a copy of the test and screening tools and scoring tools also. The clock drawing test can be completed with only the cost of a paper and pencil only. It may be useful in developing countries because of the low cost and the minimal training. It test can be used in countries with fewer resources. And now we are going to serve as a teacher. So I would like to recommend this test to my classmates. When they are going to be a teacher, they can test their students